How to recalculate a recipe when you need to use a pan with a different diameter than the one specified. The last frame of the video shows a note with the formula and an example. Simply screenshot it and keep it as your own notes. It often happens that a recipe for a cake is written for a specific pan diameter, and if you don't have that size available, or you simply want to increase or, on the contrary, reduce the size and weight of the cake, there is a reliable method to adjust the recipe. For example, there is a recipe for a pan with a diameter of 16 cm, but the idea is to use a 20 cm pan. First, you calculate 16 x 16 and 20 x 20, and then divide the area of the pan you are going to use, 20 cm in this example, by the one given in the recipe, 16 cm. 400, 256, 1.56, you can round it to 1.6. After that, all the ingredients in the recipe, meaning each ingredient, need to be multiplied by the coefficient 1.6. For example, if the recipe requires 200 grams of flour, we multiply this amount by 1.6, 200 prijsgrams, 1,6, and get 320 grams for our 20 cm pan. If the recipe calls for 55 grams of cocoa, we apply the coefficient 1.6 and get 83 grams. And this is how all the ingredients in the recipe are recalculated. This is a tested and reliable method for recalculating recipes for a larger or smaller pan. I always keep it in my notes. Save it in your notes as well. And if you have your own tested notes or advice for me, please write them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and help me learn the art of creating sweets. Support my Solodkai Bunt.